Hey guys, it's Zachary Fiorido. I'm your trainer. We are doing a bar workout, so it's no equipment. If you do want a chair, totally grab it for balance. We're doing relevés, leg lifts, pliés, second, first, you know it. So it's very fun. It's very ballet inspired. We're doing standing and on the mat. Give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and let's get this workout started. Let's get started. So in a nice wide plie stance, second position, bend the knees, take a deep inhale up, big exhale down, big inhale up. So just starting with that warm up, bend the arms up, bring it down, reaching up. Let's pick up that pace. Lift, lower. Nice. Up and down. With every plie, get a little bit taller and deeper. 8, 7, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your plie, arms up and down. So lengthen your spine, find the stretch. 2 more, and hold little pulse, down, down. All right, for 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, arms reaching out, isolate, 1 and 2. So notice my feet aren't moving and reaching my arms. Feel your core. 4, 3, 2, 3, pulse plie. 1 foot meets the other as you stand tall. Repeat, other foot. Connect. 3 pulse. Connect. Singles. Down. Reach. Reach. 4, 3, 2, 1, and all together, feet in a small V, releve, balancing on the balls of your feet. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Flow your arms to sky, keep that going. Lift, lift. Almost done. Hold the releve, arms down and up. Keep that balance. 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the way down. Great. Warm up is done. Meet me on the floor. So, have your feet flat on the floor, hip distance apart. Arms to sky, full bridge. Up, down, down. Pressing, hips to sky, to up and down, up, down. 1, 2. Lift, lower. Keep it going. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, controlled pulse. 3, 2, 1. Roll it down again. 3, 2. At any point, you can always keep your arms on the floor. Arms to sky makes it a little more challenging. Just the pulse. Lift, lift. 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Hold, arms flow down. Everyone lift your heels up and down. Releve, flattening up, down. So calf raise, releve, you're balancing on the toes. Should be a little shake. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels down, kick your right leg to sky. Point your foot, right leg meets your left. Flex to kick, point to lower. Flex to kick, flow through that point. Flex kick, point, flex kick. Good. Down and up. Hold this high bridge the entire time. You got this. Down and up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently lower the foot. Opposite leg. Point to lower. Flex to lift. Tempo. Down and up. Point, flex, lift. Point, flex, lift. Hold on. Feeling that fire in the glutes. Hamstrings. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower that foot. Drive the hips. Pulse. Pulse. Inch by inch. Doing an amazing job so far. Hold on to it. Lift, lift. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the way down. All right, so keeping feet where they are, have your hands behind the head, neck, shoulders, elbows very wide. Pull the belly button in, holding this curled position. We lift and lower, taking it up and down. Lift and lower, up, down, and down. So you want your eyesight to look through the thighs, up. Lift and lower, exhale, up, down, good for 8, 7, 6, 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, pulse, 3, 2, 1, roll it down, 3, 2, 1, again, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2 more. And just the pulse, tiny lifts, 1, 2, up, 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 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down. Bring your knees in tabletop position, heels together, toes apart in the letter V, knees up wide. Lift the head, neck, shoulders apart, hold. We extend your legs nice and long, knees go narrow. Open, knees wide, pushing out. 2, knees open, 2, so extend. 2, knees open. Very good. Push away. Knees together, out. Feel your core fire. To make this easier, you can always rest your head to floor, noticing the thighs start to engage. Four, 3, 2, 1. Extend the legs and hold little heel beats. Small hits of the heels. Give me 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees to chest. Roll yourself up on your sit bones. Knee on all fours. Hands under shoulders. On your toes. balls of feet, hold, little saw, forward and back. So we're doing a rock and roll plank, forward and back, forward and back. Great. Really lift the chest. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, down dog. Hold. Back to plank. Hold. Tempo. Pike it up. 2 and plank. 2. Hips up. And plank. Again, pike. And plank. Last one. Hold. Walk your hands to your feet. Around the spine, Mimi standing. All right, quick water if you need. We're gonna move into our thigh sequencing. So now we're really gonna focus on the fire in the thighs. Standing tall, heels together, toes apart, feet in a small V. Rise up on the balls of your feet and reconnect so your heels touch. At any point you need to hold on to a chair or a wall, you can. So with my heels together, soft bend in your knees, pull the belly button up, tailbone down, shoulders away from here. So I'm gonna have my hands on my hips. This kind of helps support me in this balance. 3 pulse. We go down 3, 2, 1, up an inch. 3, 2, 1, up an inch. Great. So you're high on your toes. Your heels are digging into the floor again. 3, 2, 1. Feel that fire. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, just the pulse at the bottom. Here we go, tiny pulse, tiny pulse. Ooh, feeling the fire, feeling the burn. Hold on to it, shoulders relaxed. Down, down, down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 7. At any point, if you need to come out of any of these positions, it's totally fine, it's okay. 4, it's hard work here. 3, you're fighting that fire. 2, 1, hold, thighs open, open, little flutter. Out, out, open, open, good. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now imagine you have like a band above your thighs. You're trying to pull the band, open those knees. 1, 2, 1. 8, 6, 4, 3, double time, make it smaller. 1, 2, 1, 2. Flutter, 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 flutter. Hold on, hold on. 4, 3, 2, 3, pulse. 3, 2, 1, up an inch. 3, 2, 1, up an inch, good, low. And lift, so close. And 2, 1, up, 3 more. 3, 2, 1, up, 2 more. 2, 2, 1, last one. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oof, shake it out. Guys, I didn't know if I was going to make that. Very good job. All right. Feet are hip distance apart, so parallel. Bend your knees softly. Pull the belly button in. Draw the tailbone down. Extend your right foot in front. Shoulders relaxed. Right leg. Lift. Lower. Up. Down. Lift. Lower. Lift. And lower. Great. Up. Everything is parallel, so straight ahead. Up, down. Let's pulse right leg in the sky. Small pulse. Up, up. Core is engaging. You're staying in this balanced position. Hold on. 4, 3, small, tiny tennis ball sized circles. 4, 3, 2, and reverse. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, back to pulse to finish. If you can get fancy, you take one arm up. Maybe you take both arms up. That's the challenge. 8, 6, reach. 3, 2, 1, and down. Ooh. All right, other side, crushing it. Feet hip distance, opposite leg, left foot. So right away, pull the belly button up, draw the tailbone down, shoulders relax, new leg. You may be a little bit more challenged with balance. I know for a fact this is not my good side. So I'm gonna have to work really hard to keep that balance. Lift, lift, and more. All right, you got 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, pulse, sit, up, inch by inch. You got it. Oh, 4, 3, tiny circles. I'm really concentrating here. Hopefully my face isn't too serious. All right, reverse direction, 8. Ooh, the struggle's real. Hold on. 4, 3, 2. Can we pulse again? Up. All right. You know it. One arm up. Maybe both arms. You're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, shake it out. Give me a little hamstring curl. Hamstring curl. Well done, my friends. Let's do a little stretch here. Open, up and around. Good. That was fun, but challenging. Open up your feet, take a deep inhale, fan up. Big exhale down. Big inhale. It's really important to get those muscles flowing here in this position, just to stretch it out. Big breath. Great, hands on your thighs, drop one shoulder down, and switch other shoulder. That was so much fun. I had so much fun. Stand up tall. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. Let's do a quad release. I love doing bar. I teach bar a lot in the city. And yeah, I think you guys would have really liked this and appreciated this workout switch. So if you did, please be sure to click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and totally feel free to come back and do this workout multiple times. Maybe challenge your balance. Maybe you need to use that chair or wall, and then as we progress, maybe you can do it all standing without any equipment. Hamstring release. And if you do want to challenge yourself, you can totally grab like ankle weights around your ankles. That would be a really good challenge. And switch, get a nice hamstring release. But yeah, spread the word, share with your friends and families, and hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. You should feel very proud of yourself. You smashed that workout. So again, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next workout. Mwah. Bye, guys.